Welcome to Santa Monica 5 in Ajijic. Discover the ultimate luxury living experience in this stunning two-story house. Recently built in 2021, this magnificent property features 4 bedrooms and 4.5 well-appointed bathrooms, all carefully designed to infuse extraordinary style and comfort into your daily life. Enjoy the spacious 550 square meters of beautifully designed space. Benefit from the practicality of a double garage, perfect for securely housing your vehicles or storage needs.
Flying on dragons through sky-high city. These are childhood dreams. It's how we used to be. When we were kings and queens in our childhood dreams. Oh, 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 our childhood dreams.
This property leaves no detail overlooked in offering superior quality and style. The interior features elegant wood cabinets along with top-quality porcelain tiles that add a touch of sophistication. Each bedroom is a sanctuary of comfort, with its own bathroom and walk-in closet for your utmost privacy and convenience.
Feeling. I feel so lightweight when I think back to those days. But then we went our own ways. I'm thinking about what needs to change, that we could turn back the page and live like our favorite fairy tale.
Indulge your inner chef in the state-of-the-art kitchen with an island, equipped with stainless steel appliances and a dishwasher. This kitchen is ready to facilitate your culinary experiments and host elegant dinners.
These are childhood dreams. It's how we used to be. When we were kings and queens in our childhood dreams. Oh, 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 our childhood dreams.
Experience an unforgettable journey with breathtaking views of Lake Chapala and the majestic mountains through your windows. Surrounded by the picturesque scenery of Ajijic, you will be captivated by the natural beauty that envelops you.
It's how it used to be when we were kings and queens in our childhood dreams. Sitting at the same old workplace. What's the point of this chase? To just bite our old tail. Wishing that something would change, that we could turn back the page and live like our favorite fairy tales. So a love so free in a world of our fantasy.
Come and discover the luxury lifestyle at Santa Monica 5 in Ajijic. For more information or to arrange a visit, don't hesitate to contact us. We are waiting to show you the place you could call home.
We were kings and queens in our childhood dreams. Oh.